Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. It's cold, it's windy, and I'm going to try to make this real quick. I've had some requests of showing me plowing with this light bar on, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the camera. It is literally about zero, so I don't know how long the battery will last, but I'll try to show you how it looks with the camera and the light on, okay? So let's get started. All right, I don't know if you can hear me, but go ahead and drop the plow. Oh man, it's cold. All right, so here we are with no light, and here we are with the light. Let's do this. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because without gloves on, my hands are absolutely frozen in just that short drive. But as you can see looking down there, we're right at dark. This thing just kills it, man. It's so much better than the stock lights. I'm going to wrap it up because I am freezing. This is Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video on the light bar upgrade to my Husqvarna garden tractor. I got a whole lot more plowing to do, as you can see. Oh, man. And I'll see y'all later. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.